Welcome, today I'm with Xiaomi 11 Lite 5G NE and I'll show you a couple camera tricks. So at the first I will start with the best features that we can find in the settings, and after that I will smoothly move to the modes like photo, video, pro mode, and also this additional that we can find right here. So let's start by opening the settings. And when you are in the settings, at the first we can add the watermark to our photo, we can add time stamp and the device watermark. We can also custom it, so we can add our own signature. Click to save and take a look right now how it looks. I'm just going to take photo. And right now in the left bottom corner, we can find mark of our device and our signature. And on the right bottom corner, we can find date and the timestamp. Of course, you can turn it off by tapping on the same switcher right here. And right now we get rid of this function. When you scroll down, we can also change volume button function. Currently it's set up on the shutter countdown. So when I'm going to press volume up button, the photo will be taken after 2 seconds. We can change this option. We can change for normal shutter, for zoom or for volume, you can decide. Honestly, let's take a look how zoom feature looks. You have to press volume up button to zoom in. As you can see, we can zoom to the 10 times and zoom out by pressing volume down button. Honestly, for me, it works better than the shutter, because the shutter we can use right here by tapping on the screen. But of course, you can set it up to your own preferences. In this place, we can also activate touch shutter. So we know sometimes when you hold your phone like that and you cannot reach this bottom shutter, you can just tap on the screen, just like that, and photo will be taken. Take a look. You just have to press on the screen and you can take photos. So you can decide if you want to use this option or volume button or just use normal shutter. We can also change function of the press and hold shutter button, so we can go for the record video, take focus, or just take the burst shot. Let's switch for example for the burst shot. And right now when I click and hold the shutter button, I can take a lot of photos. And as you can see, we take 20 photos. We can find all of them right here. And tap here to check all of them. We can save, for example, this one, and this one. Tap here on the marker. We can keep 4 selected photos or keep all of them. I'm going to keep only these 4 and 16 will be removed. Okay, let's go back for the settings. I just misclick. In this place, we can also turn off the shutter sound. So right now when you take photo, you cannot hear this sound when you take photos. When you tap on these 3 horizontal lines when you are in the photo mode, we can also enable grid lines on the screen. Take a look. Right now the help grid lines appears on the screen, as you can see, and they help us to take better composition on the photos. So if you want to put, for example, this logo in the middle with the lines, you are able to make it definitely easier. We can also add delay to our shutter, 3, 5 or 10 seconds. As you can see, after 3 seconds, photo will be taken. And another option that we can find here, we can click on the screen and then adjust brightness by using this sun icon. So we can decrease or increase brightness level manually by using this option. That's very simple, as you can see. The same we can use in the video mode about this brightness. And also we can quickly add filters, so we can change color and the temperature on the photos, as you can see, by just tapping on the screen. So you don't have to download any external application, you can make it straight from your camera application. That's a great feature. And when you tap here, you are also able to quickly increase the stabilization of your videos. Of course, it's automatically switched to the normal lens from the ultra wide. Okay, and that's all from the modes that you can find right here as default. Oh, I just forgot about the Pro mode. So as you can see in the Pro mode, we can adjust the white balance, we can adjust focus, shutter speed, ISO, we can also adjust EV, and the lenses we can change automatically. And if you don't know what is going on here, you can just simply tap on this information icon in the left bottom corner and the left upper corner, where you will find simply description of a very option that you can find here. Right now we can move simply for the more modes, and at the first we can find very useful 64 megapixel mode. So I will show you the difference with this mode and without. So let me just take photo of this box that we can find in the corner, and then photo without this mode. Okay, it was taken. So as you can see, we get two photos. This one was taken with the 64 megapixel mode, and as you can see, we can zoom in definitely much closer, and we can find more details than in this one. So we cannot go that close, and right now when we just try to zoom, we cannot read this this text. But in this mode we can definitely make it. So basically you just got more details in these photos. Right here we can also find very cool and useful movie effects. So I will show you how the magic zoom looks, how it works. I'm gonna put this button here, and we are going to catch zoom on this object. So we have to click here, then just select subject, tap on the shutter, and take a look. I'm going to move my phone, but it's still zooming on the same subject. It looks like we don't even move our phone. So it looks crazy. Take a look. Yeah, so that was the first option. We can also find here the time freeze. Also, I will show you how it looks, but I have to turn on the moving background. So for example, I'm going to enter for our YouTube channel, and I will play, for example, this video, and take a look. So at the first we have to find the main subject. So I'm trying to focus on my hand. Okay, wait a minute. I will just make it like that. Okay, right now it finds my hand. So I can just move my hand, and right now I can press the button to freeze the background. As you can see, right now it's freezy, and there it is. We have to press one more time and take a look how it works. Right now the video and the background is not playing while I'm still moving my hand. Of course, on the original video right here, you can just see that the video was moving, right? And here we can also find the parallel world. So right here we can find a lot of cool features. We can also find the clone option. On the photo we can clone the same person 3 times and the video 2 times. So just take a look how we can use it. Okay, I just want to take a photo. Okay, as you can see, it's not the best example. I will try to find the picture and online. So we can try to make it like that. Okay, I just the camera find this kid. Okay, unfortunately I cannot show you how it works, because you have to basically put someone in front of the camera and then just press the shutter button. Or maybe I will make it like that. Okay, right now it works. So as you can see, we can just clone our hands, and also we can clone the people. So when someone just stand behind your camera, you have to press the shutter, and then this guy have to move to the right or the left. Just simply change position, and then you can just take another photo. Here you got just the description of this video. So that's all. If you find this video helpful, remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe.